Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic token price pump today. Wow, I have a 10% increase in price. That is why you can see Terra Classic buy is increasing. I mean, the market cap have really increased today, and I'm happy to see that. About 10% increase in price for Terra Classic token is amazing. And you can see that Terra Classic now about $110 million has been added on Terra Classic token within the past 17 hours. Wow, you can see, even if you take a look at even the price of Terra Classic, you can see the price have actually bumped by 10% increase in price, which is amazing for Terra Classic token. I'm happy to see that Terra Classic today have actually increased in price, and I hope that this can continue throughout the week. I hope this can continue throughout this year for Terra Classic to start recovering. I want to see the market cap hitting back at least $1 billion. If Terra Classic market cap can hit and end the year with $1 billion, that is going to be amazing for Terra Classic token, because it will be a good thing to see Terra Classic entering 2023 with a market cap of over $1 billion. Right now the market cap is still about $787 million, but I still believe, of course, with the support they've been getting, with the massive support from different top crypto exchanges, especially Binance, I want to see Terra Classic token start increasing massively, unlike the way it did this year 2022. I want to see 2023 become a different year for Terra Classic, the year we are hoping to see Terra Classic hitting 1 cent, 1 penny. Of course, some still believe Terra Classic can hit 10 cents or $1, but at least if Terra Classic can hit 1 cent, well, that is going to be amazing, because a lot of people will be making a lot of money with Terra Classic token. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.